We refer to it as the search for halal in his approach. At what point does an individual begin to search whether something is halal or haram? The awareness that the owner of the property is Allah enters from the moment he recognizes the truth that Allah is. If you say this is forbidden, he reacts negatively to it. When you mention that abortion is prohibited upon observing her, she looks at you and asserts that the body is mine. The event developing inside the body is also mine. Therefore, the right of disposal over it is also mine. He says, who can interfere? If what he said here is true, then the conclusion he reached is also true, but what he said at the beginning is not true. So the body is not his, the fetus developing within the body is not his, therefore the right to savings is simply not his to claim, because they do not belong to him. Thus is the body truly ours, or is it not? In this place there exist trees, gardens, soil, flowing rivers, waters, apples, grapes, pears, living species around, consuming them, eating them. These are already beings outside of us, present before our arrival at this location. The assets we discover prepared in the environment we discover prepared are not accessible in all locations. When you observe, we are engaged in the exploration of a planet where we have not even witnessed the growth of a single bean sprout in any of them. The type of beans that children grow even among this cotton, although it seems simple, they grow by feeding on the oxygen of this environment, the atmosphere of this environment, and all suitable conditions of this environment. Therefore you are in a special environment. Therefore someone who is the owner of this environment has created it, so to speak. There is a need for a protocol between us with today's repair. And in this protocol the following things can be for us. These cannot be. We need to know our rights in it. Because we discovered ourselves prepared in this particular environment, incorporating our physical forms into it. Due to the fact that we did not create our physical forms for ourselves, or for someone we are acquainted with, an individual in our vicinity did not furnish us with this. Our parents, the individuals closest to us, are the ones we will feel the deepest gratitude for. They also emphasize that we have not taken any action in relation to the processes that shape us, despite their unwavering support and guidance throughout our development. We were astonished by neither your beauty, nor your eyebrows, nor your eyes, nor your body. You were born suddenly. We thought we looked alike. You resemble both me and her, but this formation is connected to your phase. Trust me, we don't know much either. You were meticulously formed within a capsule referred to as Rahim, but we can only observe your formation using the tools we have developed to the best of our abilities. Therefore,